About 5 years ago, I had a serious medical condition that caused complete hair loss with the treatment. And it took about a year for me to actually grow hair back. And the hair that I grew back was very, very sparse and very, very thin. So that in itself was very traumatic and very upsetting, being so young and having to experience complete baldness and then, having a thinning hair as a result of that. So I've lived with this probably for about 5 years now. And it's really difficult. It's very embarrassing. It definitely impacts my self-esteem. And it puts me what I call out of sync with my peers, where all my peers are, having beautiful hair and hairdos, and I'm trying to cover my bald spots. The people close to me in my life say, don't worry about it, be happy with who you are and be happy in your own self. And I say, my own self is a woman with hair. And that's so that's where I want to be.
Yeah.
And, they all have these beautiful heads of hair, curly hair, that they can put up in a ponytail. And, it's just very hurtful to me if people don't understand how upsetting and how really it does impact your happiness and your well-being. So I tried a number of things. I tried, creams and gels, and went and had consultations with dermatologists and tried to rule out any medical condition and any potential medical solution, and came up with mostly cosmetic things that were possibilities, and explored a number of cosmetic things, and none really worked for me. But this solution works for me. Immediately I feel younger, I feel happier, I feel more vibrant, and just more confident. I feel like I'm back in sync with my peers. I think that's the most important thing to me, is that it looks real and it feels real, and it is real because it's me, it's my hair, and it's an integration of my hair and just a little bit of help. It took me back 10 years. I thought, oh my gosh, I look like 10 years younger. And it really kind of makes you feel 10 years younger too. I mean, it's really neat, it's really amazing. To really find a solution that works, I would like to be able to share that and make it easier for other people to find, to be aware of, and to see the before and after results, and to see that this is not a gimmick, it's not, it's not trick photography. It works. And it feels natural, and it feels comfortable, and it's me. It's mine.